Have you heard about the 10-foot syndrome?
No.
No? Okay. So, yung 10-foot syndrome, this is where you buy a boat and sabihin natin yung binili mong boat is 20-footer. So, after about a year or so, you're like, hey, this guy's got a 30-footer. So, gusto ko na din ng ganong size. So, yun yung 10-foot syndrome. Pero technically, kung saan nanggaling yun, if you really think about it, it is kind of dictated by the insurance companies. Kasi if you wanna come just right into Florida, tapos never ka pa naman talaga nagka-boat before and you have this, I wanna go in big, gusto ko yung 60 to 70 footer. And technically, unless meron kang captain na iha-hire at babayaran, hindi mo to magagawa on your own kasi ito turn down ka ng insurance companies for sure. If you're coming into the market, kailangan mo munang tignan to. So yung best solution is mag-start ka between 20 and 30 foot.